Melissa, congratulations on winning the lottery. I can't believe you just won $104 million. But, however, I think a great idea would be to share some of the money with your best friend. And there's some super great reasons that you should do that. One of which is because you have twins on the way. You just found out that you're pregnant with twins, and you don't know what to do because you and your husband both work full-time jobs, which obviously you now have the option to quit, but seeing as your husband really loves his job, I don't think he's going to want to do that. So, if you share some of your money with me, I could definitely help you take care of the kids at all times. I wouldn't need to work, and I could devote all of my time to helping you. Also, throughout our whole childhood, we've always said we wanted to live next to each other when we were older. Well, now we have the opportunity. If we share the money, we can both get a really, really nice house. Probably on like a lake or something. And then we can live together and our children can grow together. And with all that money, we could even buy a boat. And I'm not asking you to share a ton of it with me. Just a little bit to get me through a little. Let me be able to live by you in some fancy neighborhood. We can ride boats together. We can go out to lunch. Ooh, we could even put in a bar in our basement. These are such great ideas. Do you think they're great ideas? I really think that this would be a really good decision, and I think that you'd be really, really happy with it. We've been best friends a long time. We've always done everything together. We've shared everything, literally. We share clothes, we share makeup. We've always shared money. If you ever needed money, I've given it to you. If I've ever needed it, you've given it to me. So I don't see why this is any different. I think it's a gain-gain. I don't think you'll be able to spend that much money in a lifetime anyway. So you might as well share with your best friends.